How to redeem HSBC reward points. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official HSBC online banking portal. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Once logged in, explore the dashboard or main menu to locate the Rewards or Rewards Points section. Depending on your HSBC account type, this section may be associated with a specific credit card. Within the Rewards section, you'll find a catalog of available redemption options. These may include merchandise, gift cards, travel rewards, and more. Take your time to browse through the options and understand the value each reward provides. Choose the specific reward you wish to redeem. This could be a product, a gift card from a preferred retailer, a travel package, or other available options. Click on the chosen reward to view more details. Before confirming the redemption, carefully review the details of the selected reward. This includes any associated costs, if applicable, and the number of reward points required. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your choice and complete the redemption process. Some redemptions may require additional information, such as shipping details for physical items or travel preferences for travel rewards. After completing the redemption process, check for a confirmation message on the screen. HSBC typically sends a confirmation email to your registered email address. Verify your inbox for this email, which will include details about the redeemed reward and any next steps. That's how you can redeem HSBC reward points.